Hold on, Ollie. We gotta squeeze our way through. Excuse us. He's on a mission. This is funny. He's doing this the whole time we're in here shopping. He just likes to push the cart. Okay, baby. Ollie, gonna take a break? What are you doing? Hey, did you tire yourself out?